Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Lawn Care, UlnarLawnCare.com. Hey, let's plow. YouTube, play my intro. Lawn Dogs, like I promised last night when I was getting ready, we are pushing snow. So hey, watch some footage. Woohoo!
We got our windows down, driving down the 405, sing along to the radio. We're gonna make it someday, nothing's gonna get in our way. We will be the biggest band in town. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job, never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh,
Dogs, I was going through my book. I got home, I was getting ready to do my outro, and good thing I did, because I forgot someone. So I'm going to knock him out, and then I'll be back with you, and I'll let you know how today went for the first full day of snow. We got about 4 to 6 inches overnight, give or take where I was, but and drifts and all that jazz. So anyway, all right, I'm gonna get this knocked out. I'm pulling in right now, and I'll be back to talk to you in a second. $21, $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, $27, $21, let me count again, $21, and $22, $23, $24, $25, $26, $27, 27 properties. It's 4:30. I left the house at 5. So 27 properties. Took me, what, 11 and a half hours today to plow. 4 inches of wet, heavy snow. Actually, it lied. 27, 28. 28. I remember one down here. 28 properties. Not bad. Heavy, wet snow sucks, but oh, I'm tired. All right, lawn dogs, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna go inside, eat some dinner, take a shower, and call it a night. Hey, remember, always give maximum effort and be kind to everyone. Floyd, I'm out.